trouble for the former interim CBI director Nageswara Rao, who's been held guilty of contempt by the top court. The Supreme Court coming down heavily on Nageswara Rao today, in a short while ago. In fact, now this is the case of transfer of the agency's officers despite an order of the court against it. The Supreme Court held Rao and CBI legal officer guilty of contempt and fined them 1 lakh each. Well, let's go across to Vaidya for more details. Now, Vaidya, this is in connection to the case of the the Bihar shelter home case and the transfer of the officer who was actually investigating that entire matter. The Supreme Court was actually, monitoring that case very, very closely and asked the officer not to be transferred out. Even then, during the whole reshuffle that took place, which is a big controversy in itself in the CBI, during that time, the officer was transferred, and today Rao held guilty of contempt.
Yes, this officer was Mr. A.K. Sharma, who was the joint director in CBI, who was overseeing the Bihar shelter homes case. So yesterday, in an affidavit filed in the Supreme Court, Mr. Nageswara Rao has tendered unconditional apology and said in the court saying that it's an error of judgment. He has committed a mistake, but there is no willful disobedience. Even Attorney General persuading the Chief Justice bench, saying that the court should show mercy on him. He is a decorated officer, has won many medals, and he said that he should not be punished. But Chief Justice bench made it very clear, saying that Mr. Rao as well as the legal officer both have been held guilty of contempt, because they said, despite knowing the Supreme Court orders not to transfer Mr. A.K. Sharma, he was transferred, and Mr. Nageswara Rao as well as legal officer both knew about this. How can they do it? Then when the court, the Chief Justice said Rao can be sent even for 30 days jail. But AG persuaded Chief Justice, saying that you impose a fine, and Chief Justice accepted that. So both have to deposit 1 lakh rupees as fine. But at the same time, Chief Justice said the punishment would be they will have to sit in the corner of courtroom number 1, where Chief Justice bench sits, till the court races. Probably up to 4 o'clock, they will have to sit in the court as a sort of punishment.
All right, so Vaidya, the former acting chief of the CBI, actually made to sit in the corner of the court. So clearly through this exchange, it seems the Chief Justice was very, very angry.
Yes, Chief Justice was very angry. He said that, of course, when the order came on 18th of January, he himself knew it. But he says, put it in the note, saying that you submit an affidavit to the Supreme Court. But despite knowing that he should have taken the permission of the court, why did he do that? So it has been done willfully. So that's why the apology was not accepted by the court. They said it's not an error, it's a willful disobedience. That's why both have been held guilty of contempt of court.